Hey everyone, it's Duncan from overlandjournals.com. Several months ago I did a video on these Front Runner universal gas bottle holders which I had mounted on my roof rack. And if you missed that one, go check it out. I'll leave a link above and in the description below. And then there's a number of comments that came through wondering how steady and strong this would be over time. So I've now used this for a good 1 year or about 10,000 kilometers of off-road traveling, a lot of it corrugations, and still to this date it's as steady and strong as it was on day one. So I'm pretty happy with it, and it's easy to use because all you do is just adjust it to the size of your bottle and clamp it. It's easy as that. Then you put these clips through to secure it. And that's it. So, and it's solid. I carry two bottles on either side, and as I said, it's been through many kilometers of serious corrugations, and I've done some really hard going 4x4 treks, like the one I did at the Flinders recently, and no worries at all. So very happy with them. So if anyone is thinking of getting one of these, I would highly recommend it. Not trying to promote the brand, I'm not paid by them to say this, but it's something that's worked very well for me and it stood the test of time. And staying on the gas bottles, somebody else had written to me and asked me how I mounted these. Now these are meant for the Front Runner modular type roof rack, and this is not a Front Runner rack that I've got, and it's just got the mesh type, but it's not so difficult to mount it. So all I did was, it comes with the mounting bolts already, and just because the gaps in between the mesh here is pretty big, so all I did was use the oversized washer from the bottom and bolt it through that, and that's it. That's all I did. Let me show you from underneath. So I hope that answered some of the questions you had, and it clarified the way I've mounted it, and I hope you liked that video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next week's video.